Understanding on-road testing, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, on-road testing. This phrase is commonly used in the automotive industry and in driving contexts. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. On-road testing refers to the process of evaluating a vehicle's performance, safety, and functionality in real-life road conditions. Unlike laboratory or simulated tests, on-road testing is done on actual streets and highways. This type of testing is crucial for understanding how a vehicle behaves in the environment it's designed for. In the automotive industry, on-road testing is a critical step. It helps manufacturers identify any issues or improvements needed before a vehicle is released to the public. This testing ensures that the car meets safety standards and performs as expected under various road conditions. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. The new model will undergo on-road testing next week. 2. During on-road testing, the car's fuel efficiency and handling were impressive. Notice how the phrase seamlessly fits into these sentences, indicating a practical, real-world examination of the vehicle. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of on-road testing. Remember, it's all about testing vehicles in the real world, on actual roads, to ensure they meet standards and expectations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with real-world examples like these.